Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. Today I've got a really exciting birthday unboxing video, an early birthday unboxing of 3 really rare houseplants that I got from Grow Tropical, so let's get into it. So, if you notice the camera is a bit weird or you're not getting a good view of the plant, it's because it's really difficult to film something in one hand and then open the box in the other, but I tried my best, so that's all that matters. So the first plant is the King Anthurium. I'm really excited about this. Obviously, I got a Queen Anthurium a while back, and this is sort of the next thing, I guess. So yeah, I'll wait till it gets back onto it. Here it is. It looks gorgeous. There is a little bit of yellow on that small leaf, but that really doesn't matter, and it just looks amazing. Next we have the Alocasia Jacqueline, which is another really exciting one, and I'm going to go over each plant in a bit more detail a little bit later on, but here's the Alocasia Jacqueline, and it's in a larger pot. It's got some gorgeous leaves. So yeah, here it is. This was my mum's favourite. Yeah, it's very exciting. And the thing with these is they're all really well packed. So they've all got a layer of plastic bag and tape around them. So all the soil is nice and secure, and it looks gorgeous. Now this one is another exciting one. To be honest, they're all fairly exciting plants, and it is the Philodendron Melanochrysum, and it just looked absolutely gorgeous. When I opened it, I audibly gasped. That's how amazed I was. It's got some absolutely wonderful leaves, and yeah, all 3 of them actually have new leaves coming through when we opened them, which was awesome. So here is a better view of the Philodendron Melanochrysum. So as you can see, it's got a lot of aerial roots. That's the first thing I noticed, and I'm going to get those on a moss pole as soon as I get a moss pole, which will be at the weekend, which is exciting. That leaf does have a bit of damage, that one that was just on, not this one, or the previous one, but that's fine. It's one leaf, it's not the end of the world. Here's the new leaf. It's looking good. I always find that new leaves that you see once you first bring a plant back, they won't be as good as the other ones, but that's just because they're a bit stressed. Here's the soil. It was a little bit dented inwards. I don't know what that's about, but it's fine. I'm going to repot it in a few weeks anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Here is the Alocasia Jacqueline with some gorgeous leaves. They've all got this felty sort of feel to them, and the stem I find is very similar to the Alocasia Sabrina, which I also have, and I'm hoping that it will do just as good as that one, and I'll be able to get some new forms of it and propagate it. Which is a video, one of the shorts is how to propagate Alocasia corms, which are like little bulbs, so please go and watch that. And here's my King Anthurium. I've wanted one of them since I wanted a Queen Anthurium, and it's like the duo is now complete. It's very exciting, and yeah, it was packed very similar to the Queen Anthurium when I first got them, and yeah, I did find with all of them they had roots coming out of the bottom of the pot, so that's a good sign. All the roots looked healthy, and yeah, here it is. It just looks gorgeous. As you can see, I've got it on a diffuser, which will just add to the humidity. I've put lots of water in for them because I imagined obviously they wouldn't have been able to have any water. Yeah, so they've got water and they're right next to the diffuser, which will make it a bit more humid. So that is it. I loved my plants. I'm super happy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.